This hidden gem should be on your bucket list. Madeira, Portugal. Imagine waking up to a sunrise silhouette of lush rolling mountains meeting the turquoise sea. Pure magic. Hike through the misty Laura Silva Forest, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and feel the cool mist dance on your skin. Then, explore Funchal's vibrant cobblestone streets, brimming with colorful murals and markets bursting with scents of tropical fruits. Indulge in Madeira's famed espetada, skewered meat grilled to perfection, paired with a glass of its world-renowned wine. For adventure seekers, paraglide over cliffs and secluded beaches, or take a cable car ride offering surreal panoramic views. Whether you're craving tranquility or adventure, Madeira has it all. Pack your bags and escape the ordinary. Where should Destination Travel explore next? Drop your dream destination below and subscribe to join the adventure.